Hello YouTube, and welcome back to Multi-Tool School. Today I want to talk about the Leatherman Juice series, but before I get started on that, I want to give a shout out to a couple of YouTubers that have really inspired me to get out here today and try to do a little cooking. Nativerobin is always cooking up something interesting indoors or outdoors, and of course TheProfessor's channel is full of great outdoor cooking ideas. Well, I'm not ready to take on any of those meals, but this I think I could do, especially since it just says just add water. So I'm going to try to cook some biscuits in the canteen cup, and I might be able to pull this off. The instructions call for half a cup of water put in with this Bisquick mix. So we'll just see how this proceeds, and then we'll take a look at some of the Leatherman Juice items. Now, the Leatherman Juice is a multi-tool, but it's about the size of a pocket knife. I'll show you here in a few minutes after I get my biscuits going. I'm going to try to mix this up right here in the bag. Cut down on cleanup. I'm going to be using the surplus USGI stainless steel canteen cup most people are familiar with, and the heavy stainless steel lid or cover that I purchased from canteenshop.com. And I'm going to try to bake a couple of biscuits in this cup using some coals from the fire. Alright. We'll see what happens here. And I'm going to put them in these cupcake cups. And we'll see what happens. See if we can make a couple of biscuits here. Now, all right. This is what I've got right here. I'm going to put them in the canteen cup. Now, ordinarily you'd put a couple of rocks or something in the bottom of the canteen cup to set your mix on. A lot of people just put some foil. I'm using these foil-lined cupcake cups. Alright. Put the lid on. Set this over here in the coals. Put a couple of coals on the top. maybe this will behave a little bit like a Dutch oven. We'll find out. Now, the Leatherman Juice comes in several different models. I've got 4 of them here. The Leatherman Juice CS4, the S2, the C2, and an XE6. The XE6 is quite a bit thicker, has more tools on it, and the S2 is probably the slimmest of the juice series. Now the S2, like I was saying, is just about pocket knife size, and here it is compared to your average Swiss Army knife. So it's about the same size, but it's got pliers, really nice, good, sturdy pliers. You have a lanyard ring that folds in and out. You can put it out of the way if you don't like it. It has a fair number of screwdrivers and such on the inside. Here's your knife blade. It's a good quality knife blade compared to the full-size multi-tool, the Leatherman Wave. You can see the juice is smaller. However, the knife blade is really not that much smaller. It's not that different. Now, the S2, if I understand correctly, the S means scissors. Nice pair of scissors. Whereas the C2 means corkscrew. This is a combination of can opener and bottle opener. And of course you've got nice pliers in there and the same set of screwdriver blades and a Phillips screwdriver. Get over here to the CS4, a little bit larger or a little bit thicker this way. It's going to have the corkscrew and knife blade. And check this out. You've got a saw blade and an awl. In addition to the same set of screwdrivers on the inside. And then there's the XE6, and you get corkscrew, you have a serrated blade, a file, scissors, awl, saw blade, and knife blade. So the XE6 is going to be the one with the big assortment of tools on it, compared to the Leatherman Wave. The XE6 is actually a little bit thicker than the Leatherman Wave. Compared to a Skeletool, the XE6 is a lot bigger. If you just want something that's going to give you some pliers, but otherwise is a lot like a Swiss Army knife, the C2 or the S2 might be what you're looking for. Now, let me show you something that you may not know about or may not have heard of, and that is, on all of these juice series, you get this what I would say three-dimensional screwdriver, a real Phillips screwdriver, instead of one that's kind of two-dimensional, if you know what I mean. Well, guess what? That works perfectly with the Leatherman removable bit adapter. Well, let's take a look and see how these biscuits have turned out. It's probably been more than 11 minutes, probably closer to 15 minutes now total time. So yeah. They look just about perfect to me. Smell good too. Okay.